Hi, everyone. I'm so honored to be here today, a part of this panel, and I just want to thank Stephanie for inviting me to speak today. My name is Janell Tryon. I am a third-year student in a PhD program. I'm also an undergraduate student instructor for American Studies at UMass Amherst, and I'm a proud member of my union, the Graduate Employee Organization. I come to UMass, finally, to public education after starting my journey in post-secondary education in private school. I come from, as many people here said today, I come from a working class family. I was the first person in my family to go to a four-year university, and I knew nothing. I didn't even know the difference between grants and loans, which was an unfortunate position for a 17-year-old to be in when making these decisions. I also didn't know the difference between federal loans and private loans. So after my first year of college, when I no longer had a co-signer and was putting myself through school, through work study and multiple jobs, I was presented by New York University, the private school I went to, with an option to take out more loans. And I didn't understand that they were private loans. And I certainly didn't understand in 2005 the effect that that would have on my life. So this was in 2005, and it wasn't until 2021 when I joined the Debt Collective, which is a national debtors union. We work to abolish debt, not just in the student realm, but also medical debts, jail debts, all the debts that the citizens and residents of this country face. And it wasn't until then that I was able to say my amount aloud. Thanks to my friend Ian here, who organized an event where we wrote out our amounts and we burned them. And my amount is $250,000. So I'm going to proudly wear that right now. And I was very ashamed of this amount, and I blamed myself from nearly 20 years ago for making a decision I could not have understood at the time. And that's why it's really important to me to not only be an organizer for the Debt Collective, to be a part of this higher education movement for free higher education, a debt-free future for our students, but also to talk to my students who are 18, 19, 20 about what their options are. I just had a student in my office hours yesterday. She's what they call a non-traditional student. She's 30, and she was crying because she wasn't sure she could finish the semester because she's putting herself through school. And it's just heartbreaking that these matters have not changed at all, and for so many people have gotten worse because it just affects more and more of us. So I want us to fight not just for a debt-free future, but I want us to fight for a debt-free present when we can cancel the unnecessary burdensome debt that so many of us are carrying every day, so that we can put our energy into the students of now and the students of the future, so we are not spending 30, 40 years paying back our debts and making very different decisions than the ones we'd like to make. So thank you for having me today, and I hope that we all stay involved in this mission for a debt-free present and future.